An ILL, or Interlibrary Loan request, differs from resource sharing in OhioLink by searching through a broader scope of libraries, including those outside of Ohio. If an item cannot be found within the Maly Library or OhioLink collections, making an ILL request is the next step. To make an ILL request, search for your title using the Beyond My Library scope or selecting the Expand My Search option in the Maly, OhioLink, and More scope. Use filters on the left-hand side to limit results to specific material types. In this example, we're limiting our results to just books. Select the appropriate item record by clicking on the blue title. If you cannot find an item record of the title you are looking for, scroll up to the top of the page and click Still Didn't Find What You Need. Click here to send a request option. This will take you directly to the request form. Please note that providing as much identifying information as possible will help us process your request efficiently. In the item record, scroll down to the How to Get It section and find the blue link under Additional Services that says Request a Copy from Interlibrary Loan. Note that if a copy of the title is available through OhioLink, you will not be able to make an ILL request. Instead, search OhioLink using the Maly Library or Maly, OhioLink, and More scopes and make a request through there. A new tab will open to the WorldShare ILL request form. Fill out the request with all the necessary information. Required information is designated with an asterisk. You will not be able to submit the request if a required box is left blank. Under the About My Request section, select either Book Media Loan or Article Chapter Copy from the drop-down on the left. If you're wanting to borrow an entire book or resource, select Book Media Loan. If you only need a certain section or chapters from a book, article, etc., choose Article Chapter Copy. Once all necessary information has been input, click Submit Request. This page will refresh and a request ID will populate at the top of the page. The expected turnaround time for an ILL request is 24 to 48 hours for digital copies and 7 to 10 business days for a loan. A librarian will email the address on file once your item is received. Digital copies will be emailed and physical loans will be placed on the hold shelf behind the circulation desk. Simply tell a librarian or seminarian worker that you have an ILL ready for pickup. To return an ILL, follow normal protocol and place it in the return bin at the circulation desk or at the book drop outside of the East Wing entrance. If you experience any issues, please email a librarian at library@athenaeum.edu.